Hi guys, welcome to this section of Snapchat ads. So let's have a look at it, what all things we are going to cover in this section. So we're going to start looking at understanding the Snapchat ads overview. What are the different ad formats in this platform and where do Snapchat ads appear? Then we'll understand why one should be running ads on Snapchat, how we can sign up for this platform, and then we'll get into understanding the structure, account navigation I will show you of this platform, the different campaign objectives which you can select here, and then we will see different campaign creations, which will be around brand awareness campaign, website traffic campaign, lead gen, app promotion, sales campaigns. And then we will see how you can set up conversion tracking, events manager, audience tracking, custom audiences, lookalike audiences, how you can create here. I will also cover the pixels, apps, catalogs, and other features of this platform like lens folders, creating lens and filter, audience insights, reports, campaign lab. I will also show you certain other features related to camera kit, developer portal, all these things, plus business manager, how you can use the Snapchat business manager, how billing happens on this platform, and how you can make use of the creator lens creator marketplace. I hope by the end of this section, you understand Snapchat ads really well in depth and you can use it practically for your business and for your clients. So thank you once again, guys. And let's get into the next videos to understand Snapchat ads in detail.